I know. Some people don't like to wait, so.
Well, I don't like to. However, when I can get her to do it, I will.
Oh, I wasn't talking about you.
Oh.
I was talking about her. She's like waiting stupid.
Alert?
Yeah.
Yay,
Good.
Under here?
It's under the wheel, all the way under.
Yeah, so it's paired, but she didn't find it.
Yeah, the pairing's on the side. And that's okay. It's right here. Oh, there we go. And it's just because she's not expecting it yet, right? You do it a couple times and then. So careful when she's turning back, right? You're walking into her. There you go. Now she got her pairing. And so with good, she alerted. Sometimes with pairing, they don't actually alert. They'll eat the treat and they'll keep going.
First things first, right?
Yep.
Well, you know why I'm asking to do this, right? Because of this whole pinpointing thing,
Yeah,
right? So,
yeah.
Okay, there's one more
One more, it's high. It's in that area.
up high. Mm-hmm. It's vaguely in
Don't go back up, no, wrong way. Left, left. There you go. So in that area there.
Okay. Where is it?
Good. So yeah, there you go. Give her a little space. Good.
Is this on or off?
Yeah, on her
Right
off.
down there.
It's not it.
Okay. Where is it?
There you go.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, nice job.
Good job.
That was beautiful.
Girl.
Oops, too much light.
One more. Okay.
Nicely done.